Which term refers to the number of replaceable hydrogen atoms per molecule of an acid? Basicity is defined as the number of ionizable hydrogen ions, H+, present in one molecule of an acid. For example, HCl is monobasic while H2SO4 is dibasic because they release 1 and 2 protons respectively. Which larger molecules are produced from amino acids during anabolism? Anabolism is the metabolic process that uses energy to synthesize complex molecules like proteins, enzymes, and hormones from simpler amino acids. These large molecules are vital for building tissues, catalyzing reactions, and regulating physiological functions. Which characteristic is not typical of most acids? Acids are characterized by a sour taste and the ability to turn blue litmus paper red. Bitter taste is a characteristic property of bases, not acids. Corrosive nature is a common trait of strong acids which can cause chemical burns on contact. Reactivity with metals is a standard acid property, often resulting in the release of hydrogen gas. Solubility in water is typical for most acids, allowing them to ionize and conduct electricity. What type of gas is formed when dilute hydrochloric acid reacts with zinc granules? When a metal like zinc reacts with a dilute acid like hydrochloric acid, a displacement reaction occurs that releases hydrogen gas. This can be verified by the pop sound produced when a burning splinter is brought near the gas. Which type of chemical reaction occurs when ethanoic acid reacts with active metals? When ethanoic acid reacts with active metals like sodium or magnesium, it undergoes a displacement reaction to form a metal ethanoate and liberate hydrogen gas. This reaction demonstrates the acidic nature of ethanoic acid as the metal displaces the hydrogen atom from the carboxyl group. What is one of the learning objectives for the Acids and Bases unit? Defining acids and bases is a primary learning objective that provides the foundational chemical knowledge required to understand pH and chemical reactions. This objective allows students to categorize substances based on their proton-donating or electron-accepting properties. What happens if water is added to concentrated acid instead of the other way around? Adding water to concentrated acid is a highly exothermic reaction that releases a large amount of heat energy instantaneously at the surface. This sudden heat can cause the water to boil and vaporize rapidly, causing the corrosive acid mixture to splash out and potentially cause severe burns. What is the product formed when an acid and a base react? A neutralization reaction occurs when an acid and a base react to form a salt and water. This reaction involves the combination of H+ ions from the acid and O ions from the base to form neutral H2O. Which fact surprised you the most? Comment below and subscribe to Quotient for more.